Annyeonghaseyo. Good afternoon, Grandma, and good afternoon, Jinjin. Jinjin, introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Gigi.
Jinjin is 12 years old and going to high school soon, 7th grader. She just finished her grade 6, and this month is a summer for them, school holiday. So no matter what they are struggling, Sir Boyong Sanim is still sending the blessings for you for the month of April, Jinjin. He send you 1,000 pesos for your pocket money. Okay? Thank you. Sige.
Samida, Sabuyung Sani, Pagkakit.
Okay. Grandma, thank you for taking care of Jinjin. Grandma is 62 years old. 63, and then she has no job. She stay at home taking care of her grandchildren. Jinjin has 2 cousins, right? Small cousin. Small cousin, and then grandma is taking care of them, and the mother is working. So grandma is taking care of the grandchildren at the same time looking after also Jinjin. Jinjin, you study harder. Promise you always a good girl to your grandma and to your grandpa. Once again, thank you, Sir Boyong Sanim. Kamsamida. Kamsamida, Sir Boyong Sanim. God bless you and more good health and more blessings to come, sir. Saranghe. Okay. Ay, iganang money day kaya picturean ta mo ana. Sir Boyong Sanim. Thank you so much, sir. They will buy rice, sir, and rice and egg and chicken, sir. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.